Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you guys how to use the text generation toolkit in your Unity projects. This video is specifically going to be covering how to use the GPT-3 AI script. If you guys want to learn how to use any of the other scripts, I have a video on that and the link will be in the description. So I expect you guys already to have an OpenAI key. If you guys do not know how to get one, I have a video on how to get one in the description. I'm going to create a new game object. I'm going to call it GPT-3 AI. And I'm going to add a component called GPT-3 AI. Now, I'm going to explain to you guys what all these variables do, and then I'm going to fill them out. Bot name. This is the name of the AI. This will help with certain models like Ada and Babbage. And it still helps a little bit with Curry and DaVinci, but not very much because they're smart enough. What the AI is. This is what the AI is or does. Make sure to tell the bot what its name is in here too. Question. This is the question that the user asks. Most likely it's going to be the player. And then you can put the question that they're asking the NPC. Post prompt. This is the final instruction after the user's question. Max amount of tokens. This is the max amount of tokens that the AI will use per call. One token is 4 characters. So right now I have at 75, so that means it'll be 300 characters that it will generate max. If you want to learn more about the pricing, you can click go to OpenAI. Then in the top right corner, there's a personalize button, click that, and then click pricing. And scroll down a little bit, now you can see the pricing. So, temperature, this is a value between 0 and 1. 0 means it's very factual and to the point. 1 means it's more creative. Top P is a value between 0 and 1. 0 means it's more likely to repeat the same answers. 1 is less likely for it to repeat the same answers. Frequency penalty is a value between -2 and 2. -2 is more likely for it to repeat the same words, and 2 is less likely for it to repeat the same words. Persistence penalty is a value between -2 and 2. -2 means it's more likely for it to repeat the same topics, and 2 means it's less likely for it to repeat the same topics. Now for these next 5 variables, you will need to click Reset AI to change them. Okay, first one, model. The different models will take different amounts of time to generate a response and will cost different amount money per token. Moderation. If this is set to moderation, then the AI will check to see if it's appropriate. Memory. If this is clicked, then the AI will remember things. Use memory optimizer. If this is clicked, the memory will become smaller, so it takes less tokens to use, but it gives you slightly worse responses. But I think it's worse because it doesn't give you that bad, unless if you're using something like Ada. Use sentiment. If this is clicked, then the sentiment value will pop up. Sentiment is a value between -2 and 2. -2 means the player is being very hateful, and 2 means the player is being very nice. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and fill out all the variables. Okay guys, I named the bot Bob. In the what the AI is, I told it, your name is Bob. You are an NPC, misspelled blacksmith right there. Blacksmith in a fantasy world. The question is, do you have any armor for sale? And I turned the temperature up to 1, and I have use memory on, use memory optimizer, and use sentiment on. Now if I click Reset AI to make sure these changes were made, now I'm going to click Generate Response. Player, do you have any armor for sale? Bob, yes, I have a few pieces of armor for sale. I have a helmet, a chest plate, and a pair of arms. What kind of armor? Now, this may take a little bit to generate the response. What kind of armor? Bob, I sell armor of different types, such as leather, chainmail, and plate mail. Plate, not plate mail. I'm going to say, how much does the leather cost? Much. much. I completely misspelled that. Generate response. How much does the leather cost? The leather costs 5 gold. That is too much. You are a... Okay. Now, the sentiment should go down with this. Yep. See, the sentiment value went to -2 because, yeah, that's what I mean. Spelled it incorrectly, but anyways. Yeah, -2. So, if you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comment section or go ask me on Discord. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.